Welcome again to this amazing video. I will say happy September to you because I think you're watching this in the first weeks of September, and I pray the whole of this year actually brings you good luck. As we are ending the Ember month, you end it strongly. So guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Now in today's video, if you watch to the end, you're going to see what we are talking about. This amazing walk pad and run pad. It is called a treadmill in the white man's language. You can actually walk on it and run on it. Now, we are not only interested in selling it to you, we are also interested in letting you know the safest way to use the treadmill. Number one, the treadmill is not for everybody. It is not for you if you're hypertensive, please. It is not for you. If you want to use the treadmill, you only walk, don't run. All right? That is why we brought the walk pad, and it is good for the house. With the treadmill, you can use it to cut down your weight. If you are overweight and you are start having pains in your joints, don't run. You walk first. When you start feeling relieved, then you can actually run. Now, the video before this one we did was the spin bike, which you can use also for arthritis and those who have joint pains and everything. It's good for cardio, same as the treadmill. Now, our own treadmill is different from the other ones that everybody is selling because our treadmill comes with an inbuilt stereo speaker, and it has Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone to the treadmill and play your music. You don't actually need any extra sound or any extra music player while using our treadmill. You just need to connect your phone with it and then you play. Also, it has an application. Like you can see with the application, you can increase the speed of the treadmill. From speed 1 to 4, you can walk. From speed 2 to 4, you walk faster. From speed 4 to 8, you know that you are going to jog and run. That is what you should understand about the treadmill. All right. Now you can see how we are operating with the app. Another advantage of the app is that with the app, you can also see the history of your workout. It also comes with a remote, which you can change the battery when it comes and you increase it. Like you can see speed 2 to 4, you can always increase or reduce. You always start the treadmill with the play button or stop it with the play button. And that is how it functions. Now let's go to the mountain proper. Now before mounting, you are going to, as you're watching this video, you're going to see what we are doing here. It is easy. You just have to tighten the stand, and that is, in fact, this treadmill is a very easy treadmill for everybody to get and operate because it's easy to mount and everything. You just need to tighten the screws by the corner, and that is it. Now, the importance of the application, that is why we actually got it for you, because with the application, you get to track the history of the amount of calories you've burned, the distance you've covered, the pulse, and everything is in the application. Also, you get to set goals for yourself. Let's say you want to run 50 kilometers or you want to burn this amount of calories. You set it so that when it reaches that particular amount, you are going to stop. You know that this, your own work is done. That is the advantage of this particular treadmill. And does it occupy a lot of space? No, it doesn't occupy a lot of space. Just be watching. You're going to see how it's been mounted. It doesn't occupy a lot of space. That's how to change the battery. You just hold the remote, flip it open and change the battery. And I think the batteries are sold in Cameroon, maybe 500 francs. You can just get and put and use it for a very long time. So guys, thank you for watching.